In this video, you're going to see how to graph. Let's start off with a basic point, 3, 2. So for 3, 2, you put your parentheses. Your first number is always your x, your second is your y. So if we take this graph right here, we label this portion x and this portion y. Now let's go ahead and graph this 0 here. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You label your x axis, and then label your y. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then you say that your x is equals 3 and your y equals 2. So x, this is your x. X is 3, so that's here. Y is here. That's 2, that's here. So where do they meet? They meet right here. And we're going to represent that dot as 3, 2. Now when you have your final answer, you don't need those other dots, so you can erase it. You can erase all of that. And then make sure your dot is right here. And that is your final answer. That is how you graph an x and a y coordinate. Now you try one. Try to graph coordinate 5, 1, right? So go ahead and graph it right here. Okay, so you should have already labeled this x, and you label this y. And then you go ahead and create that. And then you label 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So they meet right here in the middle. And you label that 5, 1. And then you can erase this. There we go. So now you know how to graph an x and a y coordinate.